Molly.
I'm Jessica.
And I'm Adam.
And we're going to talk about how prions move through the tissues of the body and cells to cause diseases. Prion diseases in humans. Prions, when they touch a normally folded PRP protein, it turns them over to the dark side.
Dun dun dun.
So, when you get prions in your body, you can do it through ingestion of infected meat, like
In mad cow disease. Gnarly.
the prion goes into the mouth,
Delicious.
down the esophagus, into the stomach.
Mm-mm.
Inside the stomach, there are these little gastric pits that have where little digestion occurs. And inside these gastric pits, everything goes down. And it goes down. The little macrophages, part of the immune system, is constantly taking samples of these little gastric pits to make sure that how everything is going and what's inside there. And it touches the prion.
Another cell infected to the dark side.
Bam! This little unknowing macrophage doesn't know it's infected, but its job is to travel around and move through to the lymph nodes. The macrophage gets to the spleen and it's like, okay, time to talk to the other immune cells. So it goes boo 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 boo.
Hey everybody.
The macrophage then comes into contact with a follicular dendritic cell.
Another cell infected to the dark side. Bazinga!
The prion is then moved around by the follicular dendritic cell. The follicular dendritic cell's job is to move around and communicate with the other immune cells in the spleen.
Infection.
The follicular dendritic cell eventually comes into contact with a nerve in the spleen.
The dark side again.
And when the prion touches a normally folded protein on the nerve, it starts to travel.
Dun dun dun.
The splenic nerve. Axon to dendrite.
Axon to dendrite.
Up to the spinal cord, where it collects large amyloid plaques, aka bulls, causing brain degeneration and loss of function, which has the ability to walk, talk, and breathe.
Death. And that's about that. If you guys.
Thanks for listening.
Thank you.
Bye bye.